heat number 1. Let's ready to rock and roll, baby. Ito na po ang pinaka-kwela at masayang class, sari-sari open track. Good luck, racers. Wait for your names. Arnold, Ronnie, Sir, Ted, Greg, Boogie, CJ, Leo, Doug, and the last car. Go. Sige, isa-isa kayo. Hindi kasi mag-asya sa computer yung pangalan eh. Okay. So, once again, welcome everyone to the farewell race here at Circle of Verdun. So, after 16 years of racing fun, action, excitement, and of course a little blood, sweat, and tears, this will be our final race here in our home track.
After 1 minute, the top drivers are Greg, Ted Flores, and CJ Landinin.
So we've had a great time here the last 16 years with huge thanks to the Ortigas family and Ortigas Corporation for letting us have this home for the last 16 years. But plenty more of racing action to come in a few months' time as we look to expand and improve other current and existing tracks. So we're very happy to have you all in the last 16 years. At maraming salamat sa pagdayo nyo sa ating last race. Alright, so this is the qualifying heat number 1 for 110 open.
After 2 minutes, the top drivers are Big Mac, Greg, and CJ Landinin.
Alright, dito po sa open track, we allow all kinds of trucks, whether it's a short course truck, stadium truck, or trucking, as long as it is 110 only. So, dito po nagkakaalaman kung aling truck ba ang pinakamaganda, kung stadium ba, na-two-wheel drive man lang ha. Pero nakaka-forma, pero yung truggy na parang stadium na 4-wheel, and of course yung mga giant short course trucks, which may not, car in the straight, though not as stable as the stadiums and the truckies. They are equally capable because of their large size. Yo, yes, sure. With 2 minutes to go of racing here.
After 3 minutes left, the top drivers are Big Mac, Greg, and CJ Landinin.
And we are happy to have all the racers here joining us for our final run here at Circle of Verdun. So stay tuned for more news, not just from us but from our racing friends. And there's nothing quite as exhilarating as full-time RC racing.
After 4 minutes, the top drivers are Greg, Big Mac, and CJ Landinin.
Greg Villaver has taken the lead, followed by Vince Andrew, CJ and Boogie fighting it out for number 3 position. Magkalapit na po sila. Pag nakita po ninyo, ang ating race leader po ay yung Beetle. Yung Beetle po, ang ating race leader. That is from our driver. Ay, what happened? Sayang, race leader pa naman.
Arnold done with a 3-lap 5:04 flat result. Sir Mendoza done with a 8-lap 5:0.8 result. Greg done with a 9-lap 5:06.5 result.
Hindi pala kay Greg yung
Cody
Beetle.
Castro done with a 9-lap 5:09 flat result. Rolly Cruz done with a 5-lap 5:24.8 result.
Asa na si Vince Andrew? Asa na?
Ted Flores done with a 8-lap 5:29.1 result. CJ Landinen done with a 9-lap 5:23.1 result.
Box and Leo.
Jalo Ruiz done with a 8-lap 5:14.2 result. Leo Diaz done with a 7-lap 5:31.3 result.
Race is over, your number
All drivers are finished.
Greg
Gene Box done with a 8-lap 5:29.2 result.
Number 2, Boogie Castro. Number 3, CJ Landingen. Followed by Sir Mendoza with a good run there at number 4. Jello Ruiz, number 5. Ted Flores, 6. Books, number 7. Vince Andrew, number 8. Leo Diaz, 9. Rolly, 10. Arnold, sabog ka yata at number 11.
The race is completed.
You're up next. Truck Group 2, you're up next. Mike De Leon, Erwin Agustin, Noel Jose, Eric Tan, Ral Cruz.